Lina followed a soft whispering wind, leading her to a mysterious stone bridge covered in glowing symbols. The bridge was known as the Bridge of Forgotten Wishes, a place where dreams once made, but never fulfilled, quietly sleep. As Lina walked, gentle lights sprang to life. Each light, a forgotten wish from someone who once believed in magic. But one light was barely glowing, as if it was about to disappear forever. Lina placed her hand over it, and a memory appeared. A little child wishing for one thing: courage. Without hesitation, Lina breathed her own confidence into the fading light, sharing a piece of her own strength. The wish burst into warm light, spreading across the bridge, awakening all the forgotten dreams. In that moment, Lina realized something powerful: kindness doesn't need to be big. Even the smallest act can bring someone's forgotten hope back to life. And so, with a glowing heart, Lina continued her journey, knowing she had restored a dream that almost faded away. Moral: never underestimate the power of small kindness.